Hi, Alan Silver here again with another report from bankbuzzreport.com. This is a website that reports to viewers what's going on with banking today, and in particular the problem of computer hacking, bank hacking, and client funds theft from banks. If you weren't aware of it, there's billions of dollars stolen each year through computer hacking into bank accounts. Some banks will stand by their clients and reimburse their clients for their losses. Other banks won't. One bank in particular is CIC Swiss Bank. Here's an article about CIC Swiss Bank having a criminal complaint filed against them. And the article states that CIC Swiss Bank has criminal complaint filed against them. June 2012, criminal complaint filed against CIC Swiss Bank in Basel, Switzerland, based on Article 137 and 140 of the Swiss Criminal Code, which includes thefts and misappropriation of funds. According to the criminal complaint, a customer logged onto their account in January of 2012 and noticed a large amount of money had been debited from CIC Bank. The bank client immediately contacted CIC Bank and informed them that they did not authorize the bank to debit their account for this sum of money, and demanded that the bank immediately credit back the amount that had been taken from the account. CIC Bank refused and said the customer did authorize the bank to debit the money from the account where the funds were wired from elsewhere. According to the article, these funds were wired to a company in Warsaw, Poland that apparently hacked the account. According to the complaint, the client then demanded to see the instructions that the bank received, giving CIC Swiss Bank the authorization to debit the money from their account. And after waiting weeks for the CIC Bank response, the client finally got a letter from Mr. Thomas Muller, the CEO of CIC Swiss Bank, and was told that CIC Swiss Bank could not provide any physical evidence that the order came from the client, since the transaction was done via e-banking. And Mr. Christopher Roosh, who's the head of CIC Bank's legal department, then told the client that someone they knew must have stolen the login codes to access the account and sent the bank the instructions, and therefore CIC Swiss Bank is not responsible. So this complaint is requesting that the Swiss police and the prosecutor take the appropriate legal action and conduct a criminal investigation into this matter. And the complaint also stated that this was not the first time that funds have been stolen from CIC Swiss Bank. According to some other articles here, a little while back, some CIC Swiss employees were arrested for theft of client information. There's another article on bankbuzzreport.com about that. And CIC Swiss Bank employees steal millions from bank customers. There's another article about CIC Swiss Bank being sued by this client. And one bank employee was arrested for theft of client information. Now, just so that you know, CIC Swiss Bank is located in Basel, Switzerland. These are their headquarters, or in Basel, Switzerland. This guy here is Thomas Muller, who is the CEO of CIC Swiss Bank. And CIC Swiss Bank is run by CIC Credit Mutual of France. And Credit Mutual of France is run by these guys. And these guys, from left to right, are Alan Fraden, Remy Weber, Michelle Lucas, who is the president, and this gentleman here, Philippe Vidal, who is the chairman and CEO of CIC Credit Mutuel of France. And then this gentleman here, Michel Machenko, and this gentleman here, Jean-Jacques Tamburini. These are the guys that run CIC Credit Mutuel of France. And again, here's a photo of CIC Swiss Bank in Basel, Switzerland. Here's the photo of their CEO, Thomas Muller, CIC Swiss Bank. And this, again, is Philippe Vidal, CEO and chairman of the board of CIC Credit Mutuel of France, which owns CIC Swiss Bank. So again, I'll be posting more videos on these matters, but please check out bankbuzzreport.com. It's a very informative website, and be aware that you run a risk, two risks if you have funds in a bank account. One risk is that the bank account can be hacked, and another risk is that your bank will not reimburse you. So this is Al Silver signing off for now. Please keep an eye on my channel for more videos. Thank you.